I always had a dream of singing at Carnegie Hall.
There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. There's a bright golden haze on the meadow. The corn is as high as an elephant's eye.
When I arrived here a year and a half ago, someone heard me singing in the lobby and asked me to sing a song, and I did. And it was Lucy and Teresa, and they asked me to join the Silver Songbirds.
I've got a beautiful feeling, everything's going my way.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in April of last year, and so I just completed all of my treatments, and I'm clear and healthy, and the Songbirds have been a great support system to me.
I don't know why I love you like I do. I don't know why, I just do. I kid everybody. I says I sing better in the shower because I can really belt out whatever I feel like. And my voice has changed a lot because I used to be able to sing soprano, but now I just sound like Louis Armstrong sometimes. We're dancing, I don't know why. I love you like I do. I don't know why, I just do.
It kind of took them a while to work on me.
I'm singing in the rain.
To get me to join, and then finally, when I finally said yes.
Glorious feeling, I'm happy.
Going back up to my apartment, I says, Donna, what in the hell did you get yourself into? Because, like I said, I never stood up in front and sang a cappella outside of being in my own apartment.
Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. A kiss is still a kiss. A sigh is just a sigh. The fundamental things.
You just sing, and it just, I don't know, it's like your heart beats and it opens up, and I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's a freeing feeling.
Fairy tales can come true. It can happen to you if you're young at heart. For it's hard, you will find, to be narrow of mind if you're young at heart.
It's not about being on pitch. It's not about having the perfect timing. It's just about joy.
I'm getting older by the minute.
You know, everybody has a different personality, and I'm kind of the glass half empty person. And they're all kind of the glass half full. And they just have buoyed me up, and they buoy up the people down there who aren't doing quite as well as the rest of us, you know?
And if you should survive to 105, think of all you'll derive out of being alive. And this is the best part. You'll have the head start if you are among the very young at heart. Hey, hey.
Whatever happens, and you sing, you feel better. Like people sing in the shower. They feel better. They might not sound well, but heck, what the heck? You enjoy it, so you do it.